Hey guys, Mike here. Welcome back. Another episode of Mike's RC Corner. Doing the series of running the RCs in my collection. Me and my son made it out to the track. We're going to do a bunch of videos here and update on the videos, or update the RCs that we've done videos in the past and let you know how they're holding up. Today we're going to do this one here, the yellow buggy. That's the ZD Racing B10 Thunder. It's been a great buggy for us. We're going to get this out on the track and let you know how it goes. So sit tight and let's move to that footage right now. Hey guys, welcome back. Mike here, part of the running series on Mike's RC Corner. Thanks for tuning in. I'll have a link in the notes for this one. This is the ZD Racing 110 buggy, the Thunder. I think they call all their 10 scale models the Thunder. But anyways, this is pure stock form, 4-wheel drive buggy. It's a semi-racer, semi-basher. It's a lot of fun to drive actually, and it's quite durable. I've recently done videos on it versus the LRP Blast. A lot of fun. There's actually lots of spare parts out there for this now. I really enjoy driving this buggy because of that reason. It does quite well at this track with just the stock setup. It comes with the stock radio here, and it's got a brushless motor. Just trimming up the steering a bit. It's quite mild though for brushless, but runs quite well. I like the 4-wheel drive. Gotta be careful here though on this track, because there's lots of weeds on the outside and it's hard to judge sometimes. And once this kind of gets into those weeds, it kind of gets sucked in and wants to go outside. But there's a boogie down the street. You guys, you got questions about this RC, give me a shout. Total stock. Always remember, make sure you look over your stuff before you run it. Make sure all the screws are still in. Sometimes things back out a little bit. Give them a little tighten. That's with any RTR, but actually you run any of your RCs, you should check them. These got like these stock tires. They have like a square pin in them, and they actually do surprisingly quite well at the track. Whoa. Reverse is still enabled on these. The radios are actually really good for stock radio. It has steering trim, throttle dual rate, all the things you need for a radio. They just only do one model at a time. They take 4 AA's in that radio too, in this radio here. So yeah, man, I'm just getting them all out, guys, and running the RCs. Taking advantage of my summer holiday vacations, and we came to the track and we brought a bunch of RCs to run. Got wrenching last night, wrenched for about 4 or 5 hours, way into the night and into this morning, and I actually wrote down all the things I had going on. I keep a notepad in my phone. Anytime I have a problem with an RC, I write it down, and then I can go back and reference it later when I get to fix it. Now, the best idea is to fix everything as soon as you can, or you don't do like me and you wait for an inopportune time and you got to wrench on a whole bunch at once. And that's what, but it's still fun. I was soldering last night, installing a receiver, installing a new radio, tightening some screws, cutting out some wings for the rear spoiler on some RCs, and one of my battery connectors came undone, so I had to resolder that back on. But all good. It's all part of the hobby. Wrenching's not my favorite part, but I do enjoy it. I mostly enjoy running them. So guys, I'm just gonna run this out here This is actually true stock form. It's even got the stock battery in it. 2400 milliamp hour hard pack lipo. Oh, I'm sucked into this thing. All right. Just keeping an eye on the little guy here. Anyways, I got to run a few more laps, guys. Thanks for tuning into this. Let me know what you think of my summer running series. Run what I got, run what I brung. We'll be doing some on the street. We'll be doing a bunch on the track, and wherever we get a chance to do them. And we'll just give you a bit of detail of how they've been faring and holding up over the course of time. And of course, this one's been very durable. Little man here has hit some of the lane things, and this thing's gone end over end and helicoptered and cartwheeled at a pretty good clip, probably about 3/4 throttle, and it's all held up, stayed up well. I've actually went and bought some of the replacement parts already, like the C-hubs, the hub carriers, a couple shock towers and stuff, but I haven't had to need to use them, and the parts here swap over pretty good onto the LRP Blast too. So guys, we're gonna end it here. Enough of me rambling. Get out in RC, link in the notes if you're interested in this buggy. Little man, say see you later, man.
See you later, man.
All right, talk to you soon. All right, peace out. Catch you on the next video.